my name is Alyssa. Today, I want to present about COVID-19 vaccine. Why we need a COVID-19 vaccine? COVID-19 has already spreading around the world for more than 2 years, which has caused a global pandemic. The pandemic has caused disruption to people's life in the world. People around the world have taken various ways to reduce the spread of COVID-19. One way that can be done is to vaccinate people. What is vaccination? Vaccination is a simple, safe, and effective way of protecting you against harmful disease before you come into contact with them. Vaccines train your immune system to create antibodies, the same way when it is exposed to a disease. However, because vaccines can only kill or weaken forms, viruses, or bacteria, they do not cause the disease. Our immune systems are designed to remember. Once we get vaccinated, we remain protected against a disease for months, years, or even forever. Types of COVID-19 vaccine. Number 1, AstraZeneca, made by England. Number 2, Moderna, made by USA. Number 3, Pfizer-BioNTech, made by USA and Germany. Number 4, Gamaleya Sputnik V, made by Russia. Number 5, Sinovac CoronaVac, made by China. Number 6, Novavax, made by USA. Number 7, Johnson, made by USA and Netherlands, and some other vaccines. What are the difference between different type of COVID-19 vaccine? There are several ways to make COVID-19 vaccines. Number 1, viral vector or genetically modified virus. Number 2, RNA, which is part of virus genetic code. Number 3, inactivate virus or weakened virus. Number 4, protein of virus. Vaccines made from viral vector. How viral vector vaccines work? Insertion. Spike protein DNA is inserted into different harmless vector virus. Vaccination. Vector is injected and delivers viral DNA to cells. Production. Cells use that viral DNA to produce and display spike proteins. Immunization. Immune cells mount, respond, and make antibodies for virus. Viral vector vaccines is applied by AstraZeneca, Gamaleya, and Johnson. Vaccines made from RNA. The crown-like spikes on surface of coronaviruses are targets for vaccines. RNA is genetic material that tells cells how to make proteins. The immune system recognizes new surface protein as foreign and starts to produce antibodies against it. The RNA is applied by Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech. Vaccines made from inactivated virus. How inactivated virus vaccines work? Inactivation. Virus is killed using chemicals, radiation, or heat. Vaccination. Killed pathogen is unable to replicate inside human body. Presentation. Antigen presenting cause cells displays spike proteins, immunization. Immune cells mount, respond, and make antibodies for virus. The inactivate or weakened virus is applied by Sinovac. Vaccines made from protein of virus. Number 1, spike protein. Spike protein material removed. Material insert into bacteria, yeast, or animal cells. Number 3, COVID-19 virus spike protein produced by cells and purified. Number 4, spike protein is combined with substance to boost immune response. Number 5, protein subunit formulated. Number 6, COVID-19 virus spike protein created in a muscle cell. Spike proteins are recognized by the immune system, which produce specific antibodies against the COVID-19 virus. Number 7, if you're infected with the COVID-19 virus, antibodies bind to virus and stop it from replicating. The protein-based virus is applied by Novavax. How many times do you get COVID-19 vaccine injections? Most vaccines need 2 times of injections. For example, Sinovac vaccine is injected 2 times with a 14-day interval between injections. AstraZeneca vaccine is injected between 1 or 2 times with a 28-day interval between injections. Moderna vaccine is injected 2 times with a 28-day interval between injections. Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine is injected 2 times with a 28-day interval between injections. So have you been vaccinated yet? Yes, 2 times. Thank you, COVID-19 vaccines and all scientists who create them. You save our life. Bye-bye.